Hi, this is Sandeep Unnithan. I'm at the Police Expo in New Delhi on the Bharat Mandapam, and I have with me Anirban Iyeng, who is an engineer with SSS Defence. Now, SSS Defence has been making a lot of small arms, but of late, they've ventured into counter-drone technologies. And what I have behind me here is a very interesting product. It's called the Varaha. It's a drone interceptor. I'm going to ask Anirban how SSS Defence came up with this concept of a drone interceptor. Anirban, welcome to Chakra News.
Thank you.
Tell us about Varaha. What is this all about?
So this is a new system, and it's a new kind of system.
Right.
So we use acoustic signatures to detect and localize a drone.
Right.
This is completely unique product because we use the coherence in the sound data to localize the drone.
Right.
So as far as we know, nobody in the world has been able to do it.
Not even the Ukrainians.
Other than us. See, what the Ukrainians do, they use one microphone and they detect that there is a drone here.
Right.
And they have another microphone 1 kilometer away.
Yes.
And they say that, okay, now the drone is there.
Right.
So they have a resolution of like 1 kilometer.
Right.
Where they, on a big map, they can point out that the drone is passing from here, 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 here.
Right.
But we, with one microphone array, from this point, can tell where the drone is with a few degrees accuracy.
Right.
So if a drone is on that spot, we can actually tell that the drone is at that direction from this angle.
So how heavy is this system?
It's not heavy at all. So this one is a demo module.
Yeah.
And the actual prototype, which is in our Bangalore plant, what is the actual working prototype, that is actually this big.
Okay.
And it's made up of fiber.
Right.
And we manufacture our own PCB circuits.
Right.
So all the computational unit and all the microphone strips are all made in India, made by us.
So the whole product, Varaha, is purely indigenous.
Yes, completely.
IDDM.
Completely.
And what are the kind of applications that you see apart from drone detection, interception? How does the whole cycle, how does the skill cycle of Varaha work?
So this one gives you a complete awareness of where the sound sources is.
Right.
See, these analysis do not know what the sound source is.
Yeah.
So even a drone, even a vehicle can, whichever thing you have that is making a sound, even a gunshot.
Right.
And this, since we are based on time of arrival, we can actually tell where the gunshot is coming from, where each vehicle is.
So this can be used for gunshot detection as well. Snipers.
Anything.
Oh, right. Interesting.
So
and how high does it have to be? It's a mass-mounted platform.
This platform is a ground mounted, but we are also in talks with the armored division.
Right.
They are interested in a vehicle mounted system.
Right.
So we are also working on that.
Right.
They are the
That's the armored core.
Yes, correct.
Right. Right.
So they are the challenges that we have to find a way to mask the sound of the vehicle itself. But we have made progress in that because the sound of the vehicle engine and the drone rotors are at a different frequency range.
Right.
So we can limit our frequency analysis to those sensitive to the drone, and then we cut off the sound of the vehicle.
Right. So detection is one part of it. How do you intercept the drone?
So we have a variety of solutions. One is the RCWS, which is a mounted machine gun system.
Yeah.
So this one knows where the drone is.
Yes.
Then it gives the information to that machine gun system, and then that gun points to that location, and it does a visual confirmation with a camera, and it fires.
Right.
Now, since you can ask that since it has a camera, why do we need this?
Yes.
Because generally, if the camera is of long range, then it has only a few degree of view.
Right.
Now, with a 5-degree view to scan the whole sky, it will take many seconds, about half a minute.
Right.
So, if a drone is flying, you will definitely miss it.
Right.
So, what we do is we give the RCWS that look to that direction, and it immediately points and it finds it very easily.
Right.
So, that's how it is integrated, and we also have some micro rockets and some interceptor drones.
Right.
These are we source it from other companies.
Right.
That micro rocket we are designing, but this interceptor,
Right.
But this interceptor is from another company. We will integrate this with our system.
Right.
So based on how far your drone has come, the operator can press that, okay, now I will want to launch the micro drone.
Right.
And it will go and hit the drone. If the drone survives that, then we have the rocket.
Right. So that's the micro drone.
Yes, this is the interceptor drone.
Right.
There will be propellers here, and this entire top part will be filled with explosives.
Explosives.
So all the control will be
how
here.
much explosive is about what? 5 kgs?
Yes.
It's a 5 kg charge? Is
Yes.
it proximity fuse or it's a kinetic kill?
Since we have the localization.
Yeah.
And we will have a camera here.
Right.
This one with the camera can tell how far the drone is.
Right.
So from there it will calculate how many seconds it will take.
Right.
And after that second it will explode.
Right. So it's proximity fields. So it's interesting concept. So what is the toughest part of intercepting a drone? Is it the detection, or is it the kinetic kill, or is it both?
I think all parts have different challenges. Like for us, the main challenge here was to get the time sync, because since we are combining data from multiple microphones, the microphones has to be synced in sub microsecond.
Right.
That was an initial challenge, and that we solved it.
Right.
So, and for this interception, the challenge is always to get close to the drone.
What about the field trials? How many times have you tested it? Has it been proved against, say, a Shahid 136 kind of drone?
We have not tested it against a Shahid, but for Shahid this works even better, because their engine is so loud.
Yeah.
For that,
Wankel engine, it's a two-stroke, isn't it?
Yes. You can detect it multiple kilometers away.
Right.
With our system,
yes,
few kilometers is guaranteed for a Shahid kind of drone.
Right.
We are detecting Mavic drones at up to 1 kilometer.
So far you've tested it against Mavic drones?
Yes. So Mavic drones and agricultural drones we have tested it against.
Right.
So in our Anandpur facility in Andhra, there we have a open sky and a free ground. So there we have tested in the field. Actually, these data are from Anandpur.
Okay.
So this is
what I'm seeing on the
data.
screen over there.
Yes, that is real data.
Okay.
That is not a simulation.
Okay.
So there up to 1 kilometer we could easily detect the drone with this system.
Right.
And the BSF has given us about 1 kilometer stretch in our border to the west, where there are a lot of drones that are expected to come from the
Punjab Rajasthan border.
Right. So they have given us 1 kilometer, and we are installing this system there to detect the drone activity.
Right.
Because
so this is a pilot project that the BSF has given you, and
correct.
So for counter drone capabilities. How interesting. How long did it take you to field this system from concept to execution?
Less than 1 year.
Less than a year?
Less than a year.
Right.
Our division is less than 1 year old.
Right.
So this we are under SSS Defence, and this Varaha is under SSS Defence.
Right.
So I joined pretty early in this project, and within a year, I think I consider it to be a big success that within a year we were able to achieve the acoustic coherence detection.
Right. What's your background, Anirban?
I am actually an astrophysicist. So I did
an astrophysicist.
Yes.
What brings you into counter drone technology?
So the similarities is from radio astronomy.
Right.
So in radio astronomy, you have seen they have multiple antennas.
Yes.
And there is a way to combine the signal from those antennas to get a picture of the sky.
Right.
So we are using that same algorithm here.
Right.
So instead of signals from the space, we are using signal from the drone.
How interesting. An astrophysicist who's using astronomy techniques into counter drone technology. So there I am at the SSS Defence, a very interesting new product. It's the Varaha. It's a counter drone system which Anirban has just told us is on a pilot project for the BSF, and who knows, this is the kind of technology that India really needs right now.